Are you ready to boost your bank accounts and want to take control of your finances? Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, I am going to share with you the 4 best budgeting hacks for beginners that will help you save money and reach your financial goals faster. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Alright, let's get started with our first budgeting hack. Track your expenses. By keeping a record of every dollar you spend, you will be able to identify areas where you can cut back and save. A great way to stay on top of your finances is by using budgeting apps or tools like Budget Planner or any else which are easily available on Play Store. This app can track your spendings, set reminders, and even help you categorize your expenses. Second tip, create a budget. This will give a clear picture of your income and expenses, allowing you to make informed financial decisions. A great budgeting hack is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of income goes toward essential expenses, 30% toward discretionary spending, and 20% into savings. Essential expenses can include rent, groceries, milk, newspapers, etc. And discretionary spending can include entertainment, dining out, travel, and luxury goods, etc. Third tip, separate your wants from your needs. Focus on the necessities and avoid impulse purchases. It's also important to prioritize debt repayment. So try to pay off high interest debts first while making consistent payments on others. When it comes to grocery shopping, plan your meals in advance and make a shopping list to avoid overspending on unnecessary items. Because it always happens when we visit the mart or any marts, we need to buy 5 to 10 items but end up with lot of unnecessary stuffs. And at last we regret it. So better plan your budget. Fourth tip, to automate savings. By setting up automatic transfers, you will gradually build up your savings without even realizing it. This you can do by automatically transferring to your savings account, the account which you are using for saving purpose only. Remember, creating a budget and sticking to it takes time and discipline. So be patient and stay motivated on your financial journey. Let me know in the comments below if you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.